We're taking a look at the iUVC1 germicidal lamp. This is by Archipelago Lighting, and this is a tabletop disinfection unit that uses germicidal UVC energy to disinfect spaces by deactivating pathogens like bacteria and viruses. The iUVC1 is a very compact germicidal UVC lamp that can be used in a variety of spaces. This can disinfect smaller rooms that are maybe 80 to 100 square feet or larger rooms. The real key to getting disinfection with a product like this is understanding how long it needs to run to be able to deliver a specified dose of germicidal UVC energy. We recommend using dosimeter cards as a great measure to determine, once a disinfection cycle has run for a certain period of time, if a certain level of disinfection has been achieved on a space. Now, it is also important to remember with UVC light that it follows a line of sight rule. So in other words, if there's a space that you'd like to disinfect that's in a shadow of this particular lamp, then it may not receive the level of dose or the level of disinfection that you're looking for from this product. So this is a great example of a product that may need to be run in different positions within a room so that you can get a disinfection cycle that's thorough and that gets all of the surfaces that you're looking for. The iUVC1 includes Wi-Fi controls through a smart app called the Smart Life app, and we'll show you a little bit more about that. The iUVC1 also includes a motion sensor, so this unit will shut off if it senses motion from anyone within a room, and that could include animals as well as people. The first step to pairing the iUVC1 with the mobile app is to hold the power button for 5 seconds until the power button begins flashing green. Once the power button is flashing green, that means it's in pairing mode, so we can open the Smart Life app and we can tap on Add Device. We're going to use the electrician and socket Wi-Fi option, and then we're going to manually input our Wi-Fi network. Once the Wi-Fi network information is inputted, you'll see a screen with a series of prompts that show how to put the device in pairing mode. We've already gone through this process, so we'll go through each of these options and confirm that the indicator is blinking. At this point, the app is connecting with the iUVC lamp and registering it. As this process is happening, you'll notice that the power button will go back to a solid blue color, and now we've added the UVC lamp. If we hit done, we're taken to the main control screen for the iUVC. Now, here we have a few options. We have a fast mode, a deep sterilization mode, and both of these have preset times for how long the lamp will activate and run. And then we also have custom mode, where we can define our own settings for how long we would like for the product to run. This can be really useful if you use dosimeter cards and you've determined that you want the product to run for a certain period of time in order to achieve a certain dose of UVC energy in a space. This can also be helpful if the size or square footage of your space changes and you need a little bit more customization on how long the product runs. If we tap on the setting icon, this gives us a few more options. The delay time is the amount of time between when a cycle is activated and when the ultraviolet lamp energizes. So this is the amount of time that you have to leave the room. Remember that germicidal ultraviolet light is harmful to our skin and eyes, and so this product should only be used in a room that is empty. The next option is the custom disinfection time. And here we can select a specific number of minutes that we'd like for the lamp to run within a space. For this test, we're just going to use 1 minute and tap on Confirm. The unit will beep, indicating that a cycle is about to begin. Here you can see that the unit is in sterilizing mode with the orange progress circle around the power button. You'll also receive a pop-up once the disinfection cycle has completed. We can also look at the timer options for adding a schedule for this to run, We can also look at the history icon to see what disinfection cycles have been run with this unit. This product is a great option for a low-cost germicidal UVC product that you can use in a variety of spaces or position in different areas, maybe to disinfect a tabletop or a desktop where someone may be working. But it is very important to remember that this uses germicidal UVC light, which is harmful to our skin and eyes. So it's critical that no one is present while a disinfection cycle is running, and that all manufacturer guidelines are strictly followed with this product.